Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum cleaner is losing suction, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to a blockage in the hose or filters that have become clogged with dust and debris. If not addressed promptly, this can lead to more significant problems, including motor failure or costly repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver, a replacement filter, and possibly a new hose depending on the damage. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged for safety. Locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew them and gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as some clips might be attached. Once you have access to the internal components, look for the filter. It's typically located near the motor. Remove it by gently twisting it counterclockwise. If it appears dirty or damaged, it's wise to replace it. If your suction loss persists, check the hose for any blockages. Disconnect the hose from the vacuum by pressing the release button or unscrewing it, depending on your model. Inspect the interior of the hose. If you see any debris, use a long object like a broom handle to push it out. If it's torn or damaged, replacing it is essential. When reassembling your vacuum, ensure that all components fit securely back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, plug in your vacuum cleaner and turn it on to test the suction. Monitor the performance and ensure there are no unusual noises or leaks. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly clean or replace your filters as recommended by the manufacturer. Also, check your hoses for blockages periodically. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.